So the windows are like panned out to where the openings are going to be. It's like they've started the openings already. There's the other one that they're doing, and they're doing the panoramic one as well. Can you see? So that's the kitchen one. That's where they've started already. It's going to really change the whole aspect of the area when they've done that. Put the support there, look.
The chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We're gonna
So I've just come to a friend's house. The builders are needing coin stones for the windows now, and we're a bit short, and fortunately a friend of ours has some available. There's quite a lot of it, and Mark and the builder's going to come up later on and just have a look, see what they need, and see if there's enough to do the corners of the windows now and the openings. And there's going to be some more for the big door going to be used. Yeah, so there's a lot of stone needs putting back in, and the coin stones will look rather nice around the edges of the windows. So let's see what they pick and see what they come up with.
Well, she's a queen. Don't hide behind me, Mama.
ID. Boom! In a beer?
No. Why?
Beer 3?
No.
Oh, I can smell beer on you. Oh, yes, you have. Whiskey, beer?
No beer.
Right, what you doing? Come on, get on with it.
She's already shouting at us. We're not even started yet.
Here's the person that's like, what shall we say?
Come on.
The incriminator.
The boss lady.
The boss. The boss is here. Hello, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
You can get here. So, right. Exciting today.
Yes.
Yes, because
So
we've been waiting this for quite a while, haven't we?
Yeah.
Or you have.
So I've just finished my day of work, and I come back up here just to see what the stonemason's been doing. So yeah, pretty happy. He's done 2 openings in 1 day, so I think he's going to be moving on quite fast now.
Yeah. He's done really well, getting all the stone out. Mark's got the digger back. Bringing the digger up here, get rid of all the stone all on the floor, start tidying that up next. Outside as well, there's quite a lot of stone outside.
Yeah, there's a lot of stone outside.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he's doing like one window at a time, and then he's like building it up as he's doing it, because he doesn't want like the weight of the wall to fall down with you know, just taking one window out is easier, isn't it, than it is just taking them all out and then rebuilding them all back up. So he's just doing one by one at the minute, on each side. What else has been happening?
Cut the grass in front, kind of. Had a
Yeah.
bit of spare time yesterday where it was nice.
It's trimmed.
So it's been trimmed quickly.
Yeah. So yeah, I think you'll enjoy the progress.
He's a creepy boy.
Because she's back. She's looking at us through the window opening and laughing at us. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, I think so. I'll just show you what he's been doing now.
Yeah, we'll finish off by showing you everything's been happening. And we'll get her to do some work.
Get her.
Get her to
Who's
do
her?
some work. She's already been investigating the builders. What's this for? What's that for? What'd you do with that?
If you don't ask, you don't get to find out anything.
No, but there's no good talking over there. You need to talk to the camera.
Just think you should
No,
see.
I'm fine here, thank you.
We'll get her doing something. So yeah, we're quite excited as well because Rob's come over from the chateau. You all know Rob really well, and he's offered to come over and give some help to William.
I got that beam to cut out, so Grandma and Rob can do that. Hopefully the roof don't come down with it.
And Robert. Don't forget Robert.
And
Yeah,
Robert.
and Robert.
So Robert,
Rob, and Robert.
and Susan.
Susan. Yeah, Mum's name's Susan. But
She don't like it.
she doesn't like to be called Susan. This is Sue. Yeah,
Yeah, you wait.
get a clout in a minute.
You are, you bad woman.
I can say it on camera.
God, she's got a stone.
Yeah, as we were saying before, we've been asking the builders some advice about taking all their render.
Yeah, all the render what's inside. So correct Lashul. I asked him if it was any good taking it out and redoing a new one. He just said, no, it's a waste of time and you're going to lose money. This one is already there. It's been there God knows how many years. So I just have to do it on the bottom part where there's none of it. And yeah. So that would save me some money and
time.
because it would take me some time to
Yeah.
redo it all.
Because there's a lot there that's
There's a lot.
not done. But he said, yeah, just basically where it's cracked, just fill the cracks in, the holes in and things like that, and just do the bottom bits. Yeah, that'll save a lot of time and money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Okay
yeah.
then, guys.
Yep.
So hope you're enjoying the progress, and we'll see you all again soon. Ciao, ciao.
See you later.
She's come back in now.
Bye-bye.
We've got her now. We've got her. I'm ready for my clap. See you later. Ow!